What's the meaning of absently? Absently. 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 The word absently means in an absent-minded or preoccupied manner. It can be used to describe someone who is not paying attention to what is happening around them, or who is thinking about something else. For example, you might say that someone is absently staring out the window if they are not really looking at anything, but are instead lost in thought. Here are some examples of how the word absently can be used in a sentence. She absently twirled a strand of hair around her finger as she listened to him talk. He absently tapped his foot on the floor as he waited for the meeting to start. The teacher absently marked papers as she listened to the students talking in the back of the room. The word absently can be used to add a sense of distraction or inattention to a sentence. It can also be used to convey the idea that someone is not really present in the moment, but is instead lost in thought.